So this is Shred Kelly. So there's a few big doubles. As you can see. So it's always it's always important when you're also riding Shreds and Heroes that you should take regular breaks here, because you can get fatigued quite easily here at the Stick Mountain Bike Park. So Shreds, it's one of those trails that if you're here for the first time, you're just learning, this is the trail for you. Very, very easy to navigate, very easy to slow down. So that was the first section of Shred Kelly. So a lot of people get lost, a bit lost here. A lot of people go up this way. Easiest way, chuck a left, cruise on down, nice traverse. Careful of this water. Right, coming into this nice open section. So, unfortunately, because we are on a plantation, eventually all these will go. So it's important to just enjoy the moment, every single second here at Mystic, because we don't know how long we're going to have it for. So this is the second section of Shred Kelly. Also very, very good for learning how to corner. It's just a perfect morning for it, really. We just finished logging, so all these haulage signs are always up. Always be careful of trucks. So this is the last section of Shred Kelly, one of the top favourites here at Mystic. So important to note here, guys, that there's a B line and an A line at the end of this trail. So the A lines do carry a bit of gaps, so just be careful about those ones for experienced riders only. So Morgan's going to demonstrate the A line, I'm going to demonstrate the B line, and we're just going to have a bloody good time.
Good, let's go.
Let's go. We're the ride. A lot of sneaky doubles in this section. A little shark here. Yo! Favorite part of most people. Bridge. Here we have the A and B line, sticks the A line. Hip jump that Morgan will demonstrate. Phew! Alrighty, now we're dropping into the gully. Brand new section of trail here. So eventually, this whole part will just be one continuous trail. You continue under the tunnel. Hey mate, how are you? But right now, this cool little traverse line. Then we're in the World Trails. Brand new section of trail with this berm. Absolutely magnificent. Be careful of this jump, it's a little bit short. Obviously get heaps of speed here. That I haven't practiced at all. Phew. Yeah, you do lose a little bit of speed towards the end here, so you do want to make those doubles, those little gaps, and get on the pedals. yeah, we're all very grateful to have the park, to be able to work in it, to be able to ride it. So we're all very, very happy. Thanks for having us, Misty.